My first 2 hires were 2 installers. So I had a two-person installation team and myself, and we would go out and do the installations. The next level, or the next person to hire, is your office admin. Somebody that could take that load of answering calls, because if I'm 30 feet up on a ladder putting a downlight in, or I'm up on a gutter putting a second story light on, and my phone rings, I'm not answering it. And so that customer is not getting great service. I would always call them back at the end of the day, but they were just days that I was tired. I was installing all day, I had a nighttime demo or a mock-up the night before, and so that was one thing that hurt my business, is being able to respond to customers very quickly. And often I would go out on an installation and we'd get a phone call. I was driving home and I'd call the customer back, and turns out they lived right next door to the home I was just at, so we're driving back, and just that loss of efficiency. What I'm looking for, maybe it's gonna be part-time to start off, somebody to help answer calls, but you're looking, again, somebody that's detail-orientated, that could multitask and take care of a lot of different things, the phone ringing, to billing, to just organizing the CRM. And those are all things you're going to want to look for. You're going to look for somebody that can help organize your business. So that would be the third person. And each step along the way you have to understand is those hires, if I bring somebody on at $45,000, $50,000, $60,000 a year, that money comes directly out of my business. So that's a big expense. That means if I bring somebody on, I can't just do $60,000 in sales. I need to do $200,000 or $300,000 more in sales for that one salary. So you have to set money aside and be prepared for the learning process and growth. But those would be my first 3 hires that I would look for. Anytime I could outsource something to another person, I'll try and do that before I bring on somebody full-time. But those would be my first 3, and after that, you're starting to build out your installation team.